Hi, this is Extend Office. In this video, I will show you how to convert an image into an editable table in Excel. First, click the cell where you want to insert the table. Then go to the Data tab. Click from Picture and choose Picture from File. In the window that appears, select the image that contains the table you want to import. Excel will show a preview and start processing the image automatically. After a few moments, the data from Picture pane will appear. Excel may highlight some cells in red. These are values that Excel is not completely sure about. Click each red-marked cell, compare it with the original image, and make any correction if needed. After correcting a value, click Accept. Repeat this until all important values have been checked. Then click Insert Data. Now Excel converts the image into a normal editable table and inserts it directly into your worksheet. Note that the From Picture feature is mainly available in Excel for Microsoft 365 for now. If you are using Excel 2024 or another standalone version, use the following methods. You can also use ChatGPT or another AI tool to pull table data from an image. Just open the chat page, upload or paste the image, and type something simple like, "Extract the table from this image and make it ready to paste into Excel." Then send the message. The AI will read the image and turn the table into editable text. Once the result looks correct, copy it and paste it into your Excel worksheet. And that's it. After pasting the table into Excel, we just need to tweak the column width a little bit so everything is easier to read. Another easy way is to use ZQTools Quick Table directly inside Excel. Once you have ZQTools added to your Excel, go to the ZQTools tab and click Quick Table. In the Quick Table pane, upload the image and enter a simple instruction, such as, "Convert the screenshot into a table." Then click Generate. ZQTools will create the table and show a preview in the pane. If everything looks good, click Insert. The table will be inserted directly into the current worksheet at your selected cell position. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.